Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about the slime token. Slimetoken.com, that's the main website, okay? But before we move on, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for education and entertaining purposes. Okay, guys, so slime token, right? So what the slime token is, okay, it's one of those series of tokens being created by Matt Furie. And if you want to go ahead to their official X account, okay, you will see that this is it's like joined 2025. There's only 602 followers. Actually, I'm gonna follow them myself. But like slime and unrealized art memes, slime didn't launch it; it was leaked throughout cracks in the memeverse, and no ads. It just spread. Okay, so it's quite interesting. Okay, unreleased Matt Fury art. Okay, so Matt Furie's coins are pretty much. They're all doing well, okay, and I think the slime has a good potential to also do well, okay. So look at the art being associated with this particular one, okay. The website I think is quite interesting, okay. We can go to the memes and see what the memes are here, okay. So we go. It started as a drip, the first artifacts row, and radioactive set the tone, bold colors, bigger vibes, right? So it's a visual chronicle of go from patient zero to full-blown culture. All right, here we go. So this is the art, all right, and I think this art is quite interesting, and I think there is a good potential of doing well, right? Obviously, there's nothing guaranteed, guys. You obviously know how the crypto is, but I think those type of project, especially the project being created by the people like Matt Fury, they have a potential, right? So they do have a potential, okay. They either have a good utility, okay, or communities behind them, or they are actually quite artistic. Like in this particular case, you got a very good, artistics involved in it. Okay, so the artist is quite recognizable out there in the crypto space, and the thing is that this is very nicely done. Okay, I believe community will also be there. They have like a TikTok account, the X account, and also they have a Telegram, so we can join their socials. Okay, here's the official the copy address. The address of the token, so you can go and copy it, so you know that you actually ended up on the right one. And here is the white paper of the whole project. Okay, so I think this one is pretty straightforward. Okay, the slime is a community-driven culture first token driven with memes and momentum. We keep it light, we keep it liquid, and we keep shipping. All right. The mission is simple: build a sticky community, reward good vibes, and have a fun growing together. No over engineering, just good execution and clean slime. Okay, ticker slime, right? Tokenomics, total supply 1 billion, tax 0%. Okay, so which is great. Okay, LP locked. Okay, 100% the liquidity is locked till November 25, right? Which is good, and you can go and here is the proof. You can go and click it yourself, and there you go, expire in 2 months. Okay, so all the liquidity is locked, which is very good, right? Roadmap. Okay, phase one: onboard artists and create content, create website and socials, launch ERC contract, engage onboard community into Telegram group. That's already there. Okay, phase two: strategically create organic growth via investors, raids, and spaces. Onboard raid team, apply initial marketing. Okay, maintain trading on platforms, create the content aligned with the core narrative, create a community called and slime beliefs. There we go. That's the second one. They are actually currently right now in place, right? And that's the phase three and the phase four. Okay, so this is something which you guys I leave it with you to go and discover yourself. It's very simple. Okay, there's no overcomplicating here. Okay. Now let's go quickly also to Hall of Fame, because we can see a good number of very, impressive art associated with this one, right? So welcome to the Slime Hall of Fame, a living mural of our community legends who have been slimed. Each image is a proud member of the cult of slime, which is, I think this one is actually quite interesting. Okay, I'm pretty sure, guys, this will be more kind of appealing to the people who are actually more into NFTs, arts. This is one of those niches inside the crypto. Okay, and I think this one here is a very good one, all right, because they have like a very good quality art, all right. They have a like a creator of this token is the fella who actually have a proven track record, which is also very good. Okay, and yeah, I think look, not a financial advice as always, but I think this one is quite interesting. Look at this one here. All right, it's funny, right? So, guys, let me have a quick look here before we move on. I just want to quickly go also to the chart because chart seems to be, like since the beginning of the existence of this coin, okay, it was introduced like the 14th of August, yeah, the 14th of August. So right, so since then, it was going, for a bit of flat, okay, for some time, and then on the 18th of August, okay, we can see a bit of growth regarding this one, okay, so like a price action, it started here, okay, so on about 18th of August, okay, so it recently peaked around about 2.3. There was a maximum, okay, now let's say about 2 millions, okay, market cap, and hence been consolidated around 1.6 or something like that, right? So we are here in a consolidation zone, right? So Bollinger Bands are narrowing, all right, so we can see that they are definitely narrowing here, which usually suggests reduced volatility, okay, and the potential for a larger move, which might happen very soon, right? So current price is sitting near the middle band, all right? So yeah, we got it here again, which is just about there, okay. So yeah, it's not so strongly overbought or oversold on this time frame for the moment, okay. So let's go quickly and see about the volume, right? Volume has a high during the breakout around 20th on 21st, okay. So we can see that here there was a huge volume associated with the people actually coming into this site, or probably because it happened here, okay. There was a test, okay, it passed that test, okay. There was another consolidation, and then suddenly, it jumped out, so for the people who actually will start buying here, let's say around this point, they can make like a easy 3x, right? So that's where you could see the highest volume, right? Okay, so now let's go in quickly into the MACD. So they crossed here just there, okay, above the signal line, or okay, and after the bearish phase, okay, so that was a bearish phase here, and now they crossed by, okay, so now histogram turns positive, suggesting bullish momentum, which might be returning, okay, so we can definitely see there's some bullish momentum happening right now on this one, okay. So let's see. Okay, so RSI. Okay, where we are here. Okay, so around the 55. Okay, 0.4, which is the neutral, meaning high, slightly bullish. Okay, not in overbought territory. Okay, which is usually around over, like, around here, like you will see here. That will be definitely, oversold. Like we were saying, no, there was nothing like, very oversold. Maybe here, just over there, but yeah, it's definitely something which we will call like a slightly bullish momentum, okay. So it's trending upward, which supports the MACD bullish crossover, which we could have, we saw it here. Okay, it was nearly the second crossover just there, but it was actually, it's going up. Yeah, definitely bullish momentum. Okay, so VWAP where, okay, so yeah, it's slightly above at the moment. Okay, but 6.3, okay, versus 4.9, so yeah, definitely it's something which, it's trading above a VWAP suggests bullish short-term sentiment. Okay, so that's what we can see. All right, where it is a bullish momentum, and it's maybe on a short-term basis. So we'll see. We'll see. But definitely, guys, I think it's a quite interesting token. Okay, I highly encourage you to go and visit their socials. It's really really good. And the whole website is promising, and I think this coin might have some potential. Okay, so definitely, we can go and find them on Dex Screening bit, and go and check them out. Okay, like 24 hours, so nearly just over 7.5% up. Okay, so it's yeah, definitely go and check this one, guys. I think that's all I want to cover in this video. If you found it helpful, please leave it a like, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.